Me too. Do you know that one of the first rock songs was placed by a very famous rock musician, Elvis Presley, and the first song to be recorded was in the late 19th century. And since then, this genre of music has been carried forward through generations of people and inspiring many rock bands.
And today, one such band from our very own school who have been inspired by rock culture is performing live. So put your hands together for
The Blood Bullets!